on our gold USD for the today on the 5th. Let's see where our gold would be moving. Our gold, by the way, trade of for our gold is has closed, by the way. Now let's see if on the 5th where our price will open. By the way, we are still aiming for a bullish move on our gold. We are waiting for, but on the 4th our price opens and close bearish, by the way, and I believe our price will possibly open bearish, come back to the test this our area here to around 1800. I personally believe our gold will drop to around 1800 before we can consider going bullish on our gold to our USD. Now let's sit on our 4-hour time frame. As you can see, we had a bullish move, right? We've now had this. We are now waiting for a retracement before we continue a bullish move. That is why I now have, we are on this our 4-hour time frame. We are seeing that we would want to start having this bearish move. We saw a fall, a pullback. We want to see another fall again to hit around 1800. I'm aiming for that key area. I personally would not be selling my gold. I want to buy this gold, by the way. I want to take it up. I want to buy it so to follow it to go bullish. But as it is falling, I will try, personally, we try to stay out of the trade. And let's see if our price will fall to our 1800. Then I can possibly take my buy position. Now let's see on our 1-hour time frame. On our 1-hour time frame, we are still bearish, so it is not a good opportunity to actually take your buy. That is why I said we possibly will be dropping to 1800. So I will be watching our gold carefully. We saw a fall on our 1-hour time frame. We saw a pullback. Now we've seen another fall, which will be going down. Let's see if it will hit our 1800. Then I'll consider taking my buy position, or I'll possibly wait for my price to break my previous highs and lower highs. We can see lower lows, lower highs. If my price fails to go below, but it continues to push up and it break my previous higher highs, then I will actually take my buy on my gold USD. So my gold, I'm aiming to take my buy, but our price, we don't know where it will, how it will move for tomorrow on the 5th. So we want to see a drop and a bullish move, but I am planning to take a buy on my gold. So that is my analysis. If you find this video helpful, please, before you go, do not forget to subscribe, like, and share.